Tip number 8. Okay. This is actually more of a philosophy. This will save your life, okay? This is your best friend. Remember, we used to live in a time period way back when where you'd have to sing over an entire orchestra and you'd have to like push. That's just altogether exhausting, but now we have something that's amazing. This is called technology. Thank you, microphones. So I highly suggest a lot of times to my students, your first and only boyfriend or girlfriend should be Mike or Michaela. Right here, okay? Be close to Mike or Michaela, but don't eat it, okay? And you want to get about here. If you're singing a loud, high note, listen with your ears. A lot of musical theater singers tend to not listen and know how to actually use a microphone and belt these high notes into this mic. Do not do that. The pickup is excellent, okay? So have them raise the volume so you have great pickup and you can sing really quietly and they'll pick that up. And then pull off the mic when you're singing the high note and come back in. I know it doesn't seem like rocket science, but sometimes it does appear to be so. Check out smartsinging.com.